Welcome to this new Pro Radio tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import the demo contents. You will learn how to transform this into this. So, first of all, go to your WordPress admin and click Plugins. Make sure all of the plugins are correctly installed and that the Pro Radio child theme is active. We also suggest to use the Pro Radio Server Check plugin to be sure that your server meets the requirements. If, like in this example, some parameter doesn't meet the requirements, you can easily fix them from your cPanel dashboard. For instance, you can see that our maximum execution time is too low, and it can interrupt the demo import procedure. In cPanel, click Select PHP version. Here you can verify to be using PHP 7.3. Then, click Options, and edit the parameters you want. We will change the execution time. To save the changes, just click anywhere else in the page. Now that everything is perfect, we can go back to our WordPress admin and click Import Demo Data within the Appearance menu. Please wait patiently. The required time can change a lot, depending on your server, connection speed and geographic location. It can take between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. Do not close the page, nor reload it. Just wait for the spinning loader to finish. At the end of the import procedure, you can see a confirmation message. Now is time to say the result. Now, let's say you want to use a different homepage. Just go back to your admin and click Settings Reading. From this page, you can set the homepage you want from the drop-down menu. Once saved, your homepage will be exactly like the demo you want. You will notice that the demo images are in low resolution. As these are stock content not meant to be used in a production website, you are supposed to replace them with your real contents. We simply can't fill your server with super high resolution stock pictures, so they may just seem more blurry than the real demo website. The import procedure at this point is finished, and it's time to start customizing your website. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.